Hey there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Wendie Pett with Visibly Fit and I'm so glad you're here because we're going to do an awesome workout today, all using your body as your gym. It's a mind-muscle connection type of program. It's called Visibly Fit and you don't need any equipment, you don't need weights, bands, you don't need any gimmicks or gadgets, you just need your body. Your body is your gym. So what I like to do is get on the ground and hopefully you can see me, but we're going to just do some ab work and some tabletop stuff. So, and maybe some push-ups too. Why not? Why not? Okay, let's go ahead and get on the ground. And we're going to go into a tabletop position. Again, hopefully you can see me. I have no idea. And you're just going to press to your heels and lift up. Make sure you're keeping your hips straight up and not tilted, okay? You want to keep them straight. And you're pushing through your heels with all your might. And you're squeezing those glutes. Squeeze those glutes. And lower. And up and squeeze. Good, and lower. Last one, up and squeeze. Very good. All right, we're just gonna roll over and come over here on our side. I think I need to scoot back. I wanna make sure y'all can see me, huh? Okay, so we're just going to do some tricep press-ups. So you're right here on your side. This hand here is going to be right under your chest or under your arm area. This arm is going to come across right here on your shoulder, okay? And we're just going to press up and down and lift and lower. We're just going to do 5. That's 3, 2, oh, let's do 5 more. What do you say? All right, here goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now we have to do the other side. So flip around. Again, this hand here is going to be under your arm where your chest is. This hand on your shoulder. And here we go. And lift. And up, pressing through your palm. Good, and lift. And lift. Good, 5 more. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now, we're on the ground. We might as well go ahead and do some Superman because they're so good for your low back, and then a couple push-ups. So let's go ahead while we're here and put the forehead on the ground. And then we're going to lift up. As you lift up, you're squeezing that low back, squeezing the glutes, and lower, and lift, and lower, and lift, and lower, lift, 3 more, 3, and 2, and 1. Very good. Now, if you are a beginner with push-ups, it's totally okay to modify, not a big deal. Sometimes I do a modified, depends on how I'm feeling that day. But modification, make sure that you're on your knees and that your bottom isn't out here, that you're over here in this direction, okay? That you're more like a launching pad, okay? And so you'll just come down here and up, all right? So we're just gonna do 10 of them, not a lot, but let's go ahead and do that now. So your toes or on your knees. Should put my hair up in a pigtail. Here we go. And 10. 2, and 1, and press it back into a child's pose. Stretch those arms out. And come up. Very good, and just come up to the standing position. Take a big deep breath. You've had a great workout. Nice, short, and sweet, right? If you want more like this, take a big deep breath. All you have to do is go to wendiepett.com